If you're sewing or quilting with a friend, we all know that we have very limited space. So today we're going to go over our 12 by 12 translucent cut or press mat. Let's get started. So it's 12 inches by 12 inches square, and it's built into 4 quadrants. When we have smaller mats, they have a tendency to move. So we have our wool pad on the back. Now, nobody in the world can cut on one side and press on the other side, and there's several reasons for this, but Martelli was able to figure out how to do this. You're going to notice we have multiple layers of this brown material right here, which is our no-slip material, and it's also a moisture barrier. It keeps the heat above where the wool pad is, but it doesn't let it penetrate to where the cutting mat is. I can press right here and the heat is not going to get to my cutting mat. Now, everybody has a love-hate relationship with wool pads. And one of the main things that most people don't like about the wool pads is it's got this really, really awful smell. We take our wool pad and we compress it tighter than any other wool out there, and it keeps that smell based within the wool itself, so you never get that awful smell. And because that wool is compressed so tightly, you get the best press that you can possibly get while using a wool pad. So you are able to cut on one side and never worry about that mat being distorted or being warped because the heat is trapped on the wool side.